$100. $100 is equal to how much I budget to celebrate the new year 2021. That's what we're going to talk about. Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel. It's your French Boys Monarchs again. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, as I said, I will share with you guys how much I put aside for New Year celebration. It's important to budget everything you're doing, because people will say, it's New Year, let's enjoy it, let's celebrate, let's do everything, let's enjoy it, because we don't know what's going to happen next, what's going to happen next week, next month, or next year, whatever. We don't know if we're going to die or we still be alive. So for the meantime, for the time God give us, let's enjoy life. Yes, I agree with that. Even me also, I enjoying life. But the better thing here is to budget at least how much you're going to spend, because at the end of the day, even you celebrate anyhow, you finish all your your blah blah blah, bim bam bam, but you're going to face all those problems you left in 2020. You're going to face all those problems. So it's better to budget, okay, this this celebration, this New Year Eve, or like this 1st January, I'm going to spend this amount. If it's not this amount, I'm not spending. I will not pass this budget. I'm going to celebrate this one. So without further ado, without going deeper, let me show you guys in my in my note here how I budget my New Year celebration. So here we are. First of all, for this entire festival, for this entire celebration, like 31st, like New Year Eve, and 1st January, I decided to put out $100. $100 is equal to 7,000 rupees, I think so. I'm in India, so I convert to 7,000 rupees. So what I will do with this 7,000 rupees, I will divide by 2. Is about 3,500 and 3,500. So this 3,500, today is 30th. Today is 30th December. So 30th and 31st December. I'm willing to spend 3,500 rupees, not dollars, okay? Yeah. 3,500 rupees. So 30th and 31st, I'm willing to spend 3,500 rupees. After that, the remaining 3,500 rupees, 3,500 rupees is dedicated to the 1st January. This 3,500 is include, if I have to go cut my hair, if I have to buy clothes, if I have to buy something, or if I have to go to a club or something like that, I put everything in this 3,500. Yeah, but everything I said here, maybe I will not do that. Yeah, but it's better to budget. It's better to to put something aside and be ready. And the remaining 3,500 is for the 1st Jan. This one, if we have to cook, or if we have to go to a restaurant or something like that, it's better to plan all this, because if you don't plan all this, you might spend more than this one. After spending all this one, if I pass this budget and here I'm broke, if I pass all this one, I then means I don't have money, So actually, why I decide to budget this one, why I decide to budget only $100, it's important, because if you don't actually budget this amount of money, you ended up spending more than this one. Because like sometimes during the New Year, something like that, it's so exciting, everything is fresh, you just willing to pull out money easily. So it's better to budget everything you're going to pull out of your pocket. Yeah, I just make this video to put my brothers and sisters aware of this New Year problem, because for the past years I can decide to save the whole year, the entire year, for just those 2 days, for the New Year's 31st and the 1st January, just to celebrate, just to spend money. And that's not bad, because it's New Year. You need to celebrate, you need to enjoy yourself, you need to God allow you to to check on the next level and everything. He give you a new chance. It's good, but hey, the way the world going right now, you need to plan everything. You need to plan everything financially, because after the New Year, you finish drinking, you do everything, you enjoy your life, but you're going back to where you start, and it's not that easy. It's not it's not good. After every New Year, I'm feeling broke. For me, to be honest, after every New Year, it seems like I spent everything and nothing left, and I need to restart again. I need to struggle again to get some money, because for me personally, if I don't have money in my pocket, I'm feel sick. If Ismonakes don't have money in his pocket, I'm not feel comfortable. So I know, like everybody out there, they are the same. If you don't have money in your pocket, it's not that easy. Who don't like to have something in his pocket, and all the time you are the one who's broke, and you following people, hey, can I have this one, can I have this one? Then it's not that interesting. So it's better to budget. Okay, I want to spend this amount, I want to spend only $50 for these 2 years. It's small, I understand it's small, it's small. $100 is small, but it's important. What I'm going to buy here, as a I'm a student living in India, what I'm going to buy with all this thing, $100 is is way, it's okay. So it's better to budget small amount of money and save the remaining one for better. I know you don't know if you will die or something like that, but if you still alive, what you will do? Okay, I don't know if I will die in next year, and thanks God you still alive. What you will do? What you will do? You will still struggling again and say, hey, no, I don't know if I will die next year, so let me save and spend all this money in December 31st and the 1st January. So don't go to this rat race, to this routine again. It's better to plan everything and always have something, always have the double or triple time the amount you're going to spend for any type of event and all. Yeah, so that was my plan, and I hope you guys are enjoying how I structure my budget, my money. So I'm not willing to go out of this amount. If this amount is finished, I'm broke. Don't call me, don't test me. Yeah. Thank you to watch that video, and for that I'm going to see you guys next year. Happy New Year, happy advanced New Year for everybody out there, and I hope you guys will enjoy. You guys will enjoy your New Year and something like that. Don't forget to budget your money. Don't forget to budget your money. If you don't budget your money, you'll end up regretting after 1st January. Okay, for that I'm going to see you guys next year. See you next year. Peace out.